Today I'm going to start new chapter 4, the keyboard and its functions. Okay, in this chapter we will learn about keyboard. Okay, what is a keyboard and what are the uses of a keyboard? Okay, and the structure of the keyboard, how many keys are there and what are their uses, different types of uses of that keys. Okay, now open your book, page number 30. Okay children, you have seen keyboard. It is a main part of the computer. It is looking like a typewriter. Okay, with many buttons on it. You can see there are many buttons on the keyboard. We call these buttons keys. Okay, we enter information through a keyboard. It can be in the form of words, numbers, or both. So when we press different keys of a keyboard to type words or numbers, it is called typing. Okay, with the keyboard, what is the use of keyboard? It is used for typing work. So let's learn more about some keys of a keyboard and read with me. Keyboard is an important part of the computer. You can see the picture of the keyboard. It has many keys on it. You can see these are alphabet keys, these are number keys. Number keys are also there, and these are the function keys. These are some arrow keys. This is the space bar key, longest key on the keyboard, and many more keys. Some special keys also there. I will explain you later. So it has many keys on it. These keys are used to type letters, numbers, and symbols. Okay, you can see some symbols on these keys. These 1 to 0 keys, on there are some symbols like percentage, dollar, okay, star, brackets, minus, plus, greater than, less than. These are the symbols. Okay, we can type these symbols also with the help of a keyboard. Okay, you can see these arrows pointing. What are the keys? Alphabet keys. These are the number keys, and this is our numeric keypad. Okay, we can use this keypad like calculator. Okay, these are called numeric keys. Number keys are called numeric keys. And this is the caps lock key for capital letters. We are using this for typing capital letters. This is the space bar key. This is used for giving space between words and letters. These are the arrow keys, and these are two enter keys are there for moving our cursor to the next line. If you want to type from the next line, then we are using enter key. This is the delete key. If we want to erase something we have typed wrong, that we can use delete key for that. So one by one I will explain you uses of these keys. First of all, we will discuss about alphabet keys. Alphabets are A to Z alphabets. With these alphabets only we can make words, sentences, paragraphs. Okay. So alphabet keys have all the letters from A to Z on them, but they are not given in order. These are the some specific order for doing fast typing with our two hands. Okay, that's why these keys are arranging like this. Alphabet keys are 26 in numbers. You can say A to Z alphabets are 26 alphabets. So these keys are 26 in number. We can type letters, words and sentences with the help of alphabet keys. Now move on to next key, number key. Okay, number keys. Number keys have numbers on them. Okay, they are 10 in numbers. You can see 0 to 9. There are 10 number keys and some special symbols are printed on them. They are present above the alphabet keys and are given in order. We can type our age, roll number, house number, etc. with these using these number keys. Number keys are also present on the right side of the keyboard also. This is the numeric keypad. Okay, this is called numeric keypad. If you want to do fast number typing, so we can use this numeric keypad. Now move on to next key. These are some special keys. They have some special work purpose. These keys have different symbols. You can see these symbols: plus, minus, greater than, less than, comma, dot. Okay, these symbols are used in typing. So these are the symbol special keys which have some special symbols on it. Okay, colon, semicolon, slash sign, exclamatory sign, tilde sign, @ sign, and there are some more keys on the keyboard known as special keys, like space bar key. You can see which is the space bar key. You can see this blinking line. This is the longest key on the keyboard. You can see this is the longest key from the other keys. It is used to give space between the words, like this. If we have typed Riya Bhatia, so we want to give space between name and surname. So cursor or blinking is there. Then we press the space bar key. Then we can see the space is coming between Riya and Bhatia. The caps lock key, next special key is caps lock key. It is used for typing capital letters. Okay, in the normal way, if we are doing typing with the alphabets key, they are coming in small letters. If we want to type capital letters, so we have to on the caps lock button. We have to press one, then light will blinking here, and it is on. That green light will on. It means caps lock is on. Then we are typing with alphabet key. They are coming in capital letters. It is used to type letters in capital like this. Chips, book. These are the capital letters. So press the caps lock key once. The caps lock light will turn on. Then we can type capital letters. Now move on to next key is the enter key. Enter key is used to bring the cursor to the next line on the monitor. You can see this is the cursor. When we are typing, the cursor is blinking on only that, from only that place we can type. So if we are typing like this, a keyboard has two enter keys. So enter key is used to basically move on to the cursor to the next line. If we type the name, okay, cursor is here, then we press enter key, it will come to the next line. So we can type from the next line. The keyboard has two enter keys over there. One is there and one is on numeric keypad. Now next keys are arrow keys. You can see these four arrow keys: up, down, for left and right. There are four arrow keys that help to move the cursor on the screen. Up arrow key is used to move the cursor up, and down arrow key is used to move the cursor down. Okay, left arrow key is used to move the cursor in the left side, and right arrow key is used to move the cursor to the right. So we can move the cursor in four directions with these four arrow keys. Now next key is backspace key. Okay, this key is used to erase the letters typed on the left side of the cursor. We are typed wrong, so from the left side we can delete our wrong letter with this backspace key. This is the backspace key. You can see, right, it has written here on the key backspace. So next key is delete key. It is also used to erase the wrong letters, but difference between the backspace and delete is it erases the letters on the right side of the cursor. Okay, if we are our cursor on the right side of the letter, so it will erase from the right side of the cursor. So this is the delete key. You can see it is written here, delete key, DELETE. Okay, now we have completed this chapter. You should read again Okay, and see this video again and again and revise all the uses of different types of keys. I will revise you again for you which types of keys we have learned today. First is alphabet key. It is used to type letters in words. Then numbers key 0 to 9. It is used to type numbers. Then special keys. Okay, some special keys for typing some special symbols. And some other special keys are also we have learned that about spacebar key. It is the longest key on the keyboard. It is used for giving space between words and letters. Then caps lock key. It is used for typing capital letters. Enter key. It is used to bring the cursor to the next line. And 4 arrow keys, up, down, left and right arrow keys for moving the cursor on the screen in the 4 directions. Then backspace key to erase the letter from the left side of the cursor, and delete key it will erase the letters from the right side of the cursor. So children, I hope you have all understand all the uses of different types of keys. So that's all for today's class. Now I will give you homework